It is 4:47 here on this Monday, and we're waking up with rain as well as a little bit of sleet and snow likely going to mix in throughout this morning. We do have some showers farther to the north where we've got that mixture going on, but right now here in Waukesha, we are looking at rainy conditions as you head out the door. 2 degrees above the freezing mark. Yes, it can snow above freezing, but right now we are looking at rain here and breezy winds out of the west at about 15 miles per hour. Port Washington quieter for this moment, but earlier we did have more of that mixture going on with some rain and snow. You could tell when you were looking at some of the lights, but right now we do have wet roadways, 35 degrees at this moment. We do have plenty of showers rolling through the area, mainly rain for a good chunk of us, but we are seeing some mixture going on. We got more of the purple color where we do have a colder pocket of some air, mainly through southern Fond du Lac County, through Dodge, as well as Washington counties. Now, as we move throughout the morning, we are going to get more air moving through. That'll be on the chillier side as we are now on the western side of this big storm system. It's the same one that has brought us the rain over the last few days and is now also going to bring us not only some rain, but maybe some snow as that colder air filters through. But you know what? It could always be worse. At least we're not in the UP of Michigan or the very northern part of the state, because that's where they're going to be looking at a couple inches of some snow. And thankfully for us, we'll see some snow mixed in, maybe a quick accumulation on some grass or elevated surfaces. But for the most part, we are going to keep it rainy here through southeastern Wisconsin. The showers are moving in from the north. They will continue throughout the entire day. This is going to be a gloomy day, a day with showers continuing, but overall a rainfall will likely be less than a quarter of an inch. So it's going to be a lighter amount of rain. Now, as we continue throughout the day, this model really kind of bringing more snow. I do expect more so green for rain mixed with some snow. So just imagine that this is more green than purple, but at least it's showing the fact that we will see more showers continue all the way even through the afternoon. And then as we get into tonight, eventually ending across the area once we get closer to about 10 and 11 o'clock tonight. And we'll get back to some drier conditions here, though we'll still hold on to the slightest chance for a shower tomorrow because that big storm system we were talking about is projected to move east, but it may kind of drag its feet a little bit. And if it does, it'll bring us a slight chance for some more showers tomorrow. But today, really looking at the rain showers mixed in with some snow and some sleet. Windy as well. We'll see a high of 48 degrees. That's likely going to feel more like the upper 30s with a wind gust near 40 miles per hour. Tonight we lose the showers, but we will keep the windy conditions. Gusts will still be near 40 miles per hour out of the northwest. We'll see temperatures drop into the mid to upper 30s to start off tomorrow. Tomorrow, just that slight chance for a shower. Also still windy, but gusts will be near 30 miles per hour. Thankfully, the second half of the week, not as bad. A mix of clouds and some sunshine, and we're back pushing 60 by the end of the week. Adriana.